Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly coffee. First, you'll want to bloom 10 grams of unflavored gelatin in 60 milliliters of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it softens. While that's blooming, brew 250 milliliters of your favorite strong coffee. Sweeten it to your liking, then make sure the coffee is hot enough to fully dissolve the gelatin you just bloomed. This initial step is crucial for a smooth jelly texture. Once your gelatin is bloomed and your coffee is hot, gently stir the softened gelatin directly into the hot, sweetened coffee. Keep stirring until the gelatin is completely dissolved and no lumps remain. Next, carefully pour this coffee mixture into a shallow dish or individual serving glasses, depending on how you plan to enjoy it. Then, place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until it's perfectly firm and jiggly. After your coffee jelly has fully set, it's time to prepare it for serving. You can either cut the firm jelly into small, bite-sized cubes, or simply use a spoon to scoop out irregular pieces directly from the dish. For a classic touch, serve your coffee jelly with a generous splash of milk, cream, or even sweetened condensed milk. It also makes a delightful dessert when paired with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. And there you have it, your very own homemade jelly coffee. This unique treat offers a wonderfully refreshing and delightful texture experience that's different from your usual cup. It's truly perfect for a warm afternoon pick-me-up or as a creative, light dessert option. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.